Going.
Let's do this.
Look there, look there. So when I get out of the road. I would put your seatbelt back on.
I think I should.
There. Look up, look up. Right there.
I see it. I see it.
Watch, there's gonna be a tornado. We're going 100 miles per hour. Hey, look, here's my, here's where my doctor is.
Wonderful.
We could get treatment and we die. Damn, dude, this looks badass. No, don't video, kid.
Anyways, alright.
That's not doing much,
Yeah,
but it is rotating.
It's gonna do
What's that?
something. Like,
What's that? Look over there. You see it?
yeah, I see it.
Dude, I see rotation over there. See that little pencil, that, like, peninsula
Yeah.
thing? Looks like Florida's gonna hit Missouri. Ugh.
I wish I was in Florida right now.
There's still tornadoes in Florida.
Oh yeah. Not like in Oklahoma. Oklahoma's fucked right now. Well, they're always fucked. What am I talking about?
This is fun.
It is. Yeah, your mom was right. It's gonna be really bad today. Oh, I see it over here.
Looks straight there. You see that cloud that's moving?
Uh-huh.
Could be a... Yep, look at that. They're all connecting.
Yep. Yep, that one's connecting right there.
Okay, we're in downtown Clayton, about to be fucked.
Huh?
Tornado signs are going off. No tornado signs.
Wonderful. Clayton. America.
Hey, all the doctors and lawyers are gone by now. You know?
Everybody's dipping out now. Now it's on.
Oh shit. Tornado signs are going off. It's a red light. Look at the bus going by. Gonna get fucked by Mother Nature. Anally fucked by Mother Nature. At least this won't be rain wrap, like it's pouring down rain. Rain wrap means that,
You could be fucked.
well, that, but you can't see the tornado. It's pouring so hard that you can't see it.
Oh, it's gonna pour down soon. Probably.
Should head back to your place.
We should.
Look over there. Look over there. Watch, we see Copy running.
It's like, I got me!
It's like, oh, you really are something.
Their alarms are going off over there.
Yep. There's J-Bug.
J-Bugs might be fucked tonight.
There's the Ritz-Carlton over there. Hi.
What's up?
Hey, if you don't mind, can we go back to my place so I can help my mom get the dog downstairs since she's not strong?
Yeah,
If you don't mind.
go for it.
Okay, thank you.
Should I turn it off now?
No, keep it rolling.
Right.
Look that way.
Should I tell my dad to get downstairs?
Yeah. Like, yeah.
Thank you.
Shit, there's a funnel over there.
Where?
The wind increasing.
Oh, shit.
Get out of the way, you fucking Volvo. This is a rich subdivision. Everybody here has insurance, thank God.
Yeah, answer. He's probably in the basement.
Since he always watches the news. Yeah, wind increasing. Getting darker. Yeah, this is a sign that there could be already a touchdown. Try to take 40.
Yeah, it's way down there. I see it. I think I see a tornado way down there.
Wait, what's that? Is that gonna be a touchdown right here? Okay, we gotta get out of here. This ain't safe. But I'm getting enough footage. Yeah, dude, yeah, it's circling. Dude, you can see that circling.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, dude, this is great footage. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Brentwood Road in St. Louis, and right by the Galleria over there. There's a funnel cloud right above us. If we die, put this on YouTube, but we're not going to. One light, 20 seconds, fuck my life. Nah. Dude, look how low that cloud is.
Oh, shit.
definitely a funnel cloud. Definitely a funnel cloud.
We're in the middle of it, dude.
This is not recommended unless if you're a trained weather spotter. Now we're fucking going. Get the footage behind us.
I see it. I think I see it touching down.
Wait, look over there. It could be a funnel cloud.
This sounds like hail.
No, it's just hard rain.